Hey everyone, welcome back to Law Talks with Aryan, your one-stop channel for decoding India's most interesting legal cases. Today, we are diving into a landmark family law case that redefined how Indian courts interpret mental cruelty in marriages. Parvin Kumar Jain versus Anju Jain, famously known as the Jain Divorce Case. Stick with me as we break down what happened in this high-stakes legal battle, why it became such a game changer in family law, and what it means for thousands of people dealing with similar issues. So let's start with the basics. This case involved Parvin Kumar Jain, the husband, and Anju Jain, his wife. Like many other matrimonial disputes, things started with a happy marriage that eventually broke down due to conflicts. Parvin Kumar Jain approached the court seeking a divorce under Section 13 Clause 1 I to A of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, which allows for divorce on the grounds of cruelty. According to him, his wife's behavior caused him severe mental stress and affected his well-being. Now, here's where things get serious. Parveen accused his wife of engaging in behavior that amounted to mental cruelty. He claimed that her constant insults, unfounded accusations, and disrespectful treatment not only strained their relationship but also took a toll on his health and peace of mind. On the other hand, Anju said strongly denied these allegations. She argued that her husband was exaggerating the facts and that she was not responsible for the breakdown of their marriage. Family law cases are often tricky because mental cruelty is a subjective concept. It's not something you can easily measure or prove with physical evidence. So, how did the court decide what actually constitutes cruelty in this case? The court carefully reviewed the evidence, which included testimony from both parties and witnesses. They focused on specific incidents and patterns of behavior to determine whether Parveen's claims had enough merit. After a thorough analysis, the court ruled in favor of Parveen Kumar Jain. It held that mental cruelty doesn't have to involve physical violence. Sometimes continuous and persistent abusive behavior, humiliation, or baseless accusations can be just as damaging. In this case, the court found enough evidence to support Parveen's claim that he had endured significant mental suffering because of his wife's behavior. As a result, the court granted the divorce. So, why is this case such a big deal? Well, it's because it helped set a clearer precedent for what constitutes mental cruelty in Indian law. Before this case, the concept was somewhat vague, but thanks to judgments like this, court now have a more detailed framework to assess similar cases in the future. It also highlights the importance of balancing evidence and ensuring that courts are not swayed by one-sided narratives. Both parties must present strong, clear proof of their claims. And that's the story of Parveen Kumar Jain versus Anju Jain, the Jain divorce case. If you are someone interested in family law or just curious about how Indian courts handle matrimonial disputes, this case is definitely one to know. What are your thoughts on how the courts define mental cruelty here? Do you think the decision was fair? Let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Law Talks with Aryan for more such legal breakdowns. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.